Hey guys, welcome to round 2 of me going live today on IG. I just wanted to shoot this quick live just to talk about this upcoming event that I'm going to be hosting on Saturday, August 1st from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time. I will be hosting my first ever goal setting mastery live event, my friend. All right, so I hope to see you there. And I can only have 15 spots available just because I really want to take the time and I want to connect with you. I want to make sure there's enough people so we can all talk, we can all communicate, and we really get to know each other on some real deep levels, my friend. So I hope to see you there. I will be going over my Goal Setting Mastery ebook, the one that I just created most recently, and where I share with you all my secrets, all my hacks, everything that I've learned, that I've used, that I've developed as in my entrepreneur journey. And I'm going to teach you exactly how to have, be, and do anything you want in this life. There's no reason why you can't have that girl. There's no reason why you can't have that car. There's no reason why you can't live your dream life, my friend. Whatever it is you want to manifest, I'm going to teach you how to do it. So if this resonates, if you have that one thing that you've been wanting so bad to manifest, this is it, bro. I'm going to give you free game. It is going to be a free workshop, all right? It's going to be based off donations, but again, donations are always optional. I don't add that in there to make you feel obligated, bro. I do this out of fucking love. So again, just putting that out there. It's going to be a free workshop, and you are more than welcome to join. It will be on Saturday, August 1st from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I'm going to teach you everything, bro. I'm going to teach you everything that I know. This is shit that took me 7 years to learn. And these are secrets, but I say secrets because they are. Because there's very few people that are speaking about these goal-setting tactics in today's modern world. A lot of the shit that I've learned, that I've used, come from the OGs in the Napoleon Hill days, in the Earl Nightingale days, in the Henry Ford days. These are all from the OGs, but I've revolutionized them and I'm making them work in this year of 2020, right? In this now moment, this now reality that we're living in. So yeah, if that interests you guys, this is how you connect with me. Just send me a DM with 3 blue hearts, and I will send you the link to claim your spot. All right? I hope to see you there, bro. I really do. We are going to go in. Again, I don't hold anything back. And it's going to be even more personal just because we're going to be on a call, right? On a Zoom call. So I'm going to be able to teach you right there and then everything that I've learned. Hey, Patrice, thank you for joining, buddy. I'm just announcing my up-and-coming Goal Setting Mastery workshop on Saturday, August 1st from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. And I'm going to teach you how to have, be, or do anything you ever wanted. All right, my friend. So I will see you guys there. Again, just send me a DM with 3 blue hearts, and I will send you the link to claim your spot. Much love, man. And if you're still not convinced, watch my story, and I'll even send you the video of my newest product, the Goal Setting Mastery ebook, and you will see what I talk about. All right. Much love. I hope to see you there, my friends.